Hello and welcome all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you have been fit and fine and you are taking care of your health and hygiene. My dear little gems, I welcome all my dear third standard students in today's science lecture. My dear students, I hope that you have got your objectives and the subjectives of the remaining chapter, and I hope that whatever revision work I am giving you, you are noting it down. Though your fair book is complete, but I hope that at the same time you are writing the topics and revising it in your rough notebook. Now, as you are doing the revision work and you are even writing each and everything, I hope that now you will just clear the exam, FA3 exam very easily. So my dear students, we have completed the revision of chapter number 8. Now, today you must be thinking that what is the objective of today's session, today's lecture. So, my dear students, today we are going to do the revision of chapter number 9. Yes, you know that question answers we have already written and revised. So, today we are going to start the revision part of chapter number 9. Obviously, the part which we are going to revise is of the fair book, means the things which you have already written in the fair book. So what are the benefits of this? There are two major benefits. Firstly, you will be able to complete any objective if it is left to be written in the fair book. Secondly, if you have written and completed your fair book, you can verify whether the notes you have written are correct, whether the answers you have written are correct or not. Also, the revision will happen simultaneously. So, please give the heading in your rough notebook, subject, then the heading which I have written. Also, please mention today's date. I will give you a couple of seconds to give the heading and then I will be writing the topic. I hope that you also will be writing with me. My dear students, as you know that in all the revision lectures I have been telling you to carry your rough book at least with you. Textbook if you do not have, I never forced you to open it. But the rough book and pencil should be always ready whenever you are sitting for the science lecture. So firstly we are going to revise fill in the blanks. I hope that you all are ready with the heading. Always you know the habit of putting the date, which is what I have been telling in all the lectures. So I suppose by now you should have written the heading part. So let's get started. I am going to start writing the question. Please you all also start writing the question as soon as I write it on the board, so that you will not need any extra time to finish writing the questions. So first of all, we'll give the heading. Now let us write it down. I hope that you also will start writing the question. And my dear students, at a time I will write maximum 2 to 3 questions. So it will become easier for you because the number of questions will be less at a time. I hope my dear students that you have started writing the question. So my dear students, as you can see, I have written two questions at a time. Also, not only the questions, but I have also written the options in the brackets. So now I give you full liberty. If you don't want to write the option, it is okay, but you have to write the questions. So options, it is your choice. If you want, you can write it down or else ignore it. You can just read it from the board. So please finish writing the questions. As you can see, I have written two questions on the board. I'll request you to write down the questions in the brackets. Just after the blanks in all the questions, I have kept the option. Yes, you are also going to get the option in your exam, in your online exam. That is the reason why I have kept the option. Now option, whether you have to write or you do not have to write, the choice is yours. But you will have to consider the options if you want the correct answer. A tissue is made up of dash, kind of dash. Second question is, the arm muscles dash to move the arm up and down. So you will have to write the answer in the blanks. I am going to just tick mark the correct options from the bracket. Okay, my dear students, so I am going to tick mark the answers. A tissue is made up of dash. So tissue is made up of one or many. For that you need to first solve the second blanks of the same question. Now tissue is made up of organs or cells. That is the first question you will have to solve. Just recall whatever you have understood. Tissue is made up of organs or cells. Obviously, cells. So cell is the correct answer. So please write the answer. Now here you have to think that the cell, that the tissue is made up of one cell. No, tissue is not made up of one cell. In fact, it is made up of many cells. So here the answer is, tissue is made up of many kinds of cells. Please write the answer. And here second answer is, the arm muscles dash to move the arm up and down. Now if you are moving your arm up and down, so arm muscles only shortens down? No. So the correct answer is shorten and lengthen. So please write the correct answer in the blanks. I will be waiting for you. I will give you a couple of seconds. Please finish writing the answers. So my dear students, I have tick marked the correct answer. You will have to write down the correct answer in the blanks provided. So in the first blanks, two questions are there. So if at all in the exam, if I'll give you this kind of question where in the one question two blanks are there, it will be of 2 marks, obviously. So keep it in your mind that the questions will be according to the marks. So answer number 1, many and cells. Answer number 2, shorten and lengthen. I hope that you are writing it down. So now I suppose that you should have finished writing the question and the answers as well. Now I'm going to clear the board and write another 2 questions. If possible, I will write 3 questions at a time, as there are only 5 fill in the blanks. So please be ready to write another 2 to 3 questions, and we are going to solve in the same way. Options also will be provided for the other questions as well. Okay, so number 3. The air we breathe out is called dash. Now the options are inhaled or exhaled air. Number 4, the dash spine or spinal cord are the options. Connects all the nerves of body to the brain. So here I have written 2 questions. Please write it down. As you can see, I have written 2 other questions. Number 3, the air we breathe out is called dash. Options are inhaled or exhaled air. Number 4 is the dash connects all the nerves of the body to the brain. Options are spine or spinal cord. I hope that you have started writing 4th question and finished writing 3rd one. Please make a haste so that we can solve the maximum possible questions of objective here. Okay, my dear students, now I am going to even write question number 5 on the board. So please follow that question as well. The dash options are excretory or respiratory. System cleans our body by throwing out body wastes. So I have written 5th question also with the options. Please also write number 5, and number 5 is the last fill in the blanks. So there were only 5 fill in the blanks in this chapter. Number 5, the dash system cleans our body by throwing out body wastes. Options are excretory or respiratory. So let me write the answers here. Now the air we breathe out. So the correct answer is XZ. The dash connects all the nerves of the body to the brain, obviously spinal cord. And the dash system cleans the body by throwing out the wastes, obviously excretory system. So kindly write your answers in the blanks. I hope, my dear students, you are writing the answers in the blanks. See, I have given you liberty that if you do not want to write the options written in the bracket, it will be okay. But you will have to write the questions and consider the option. That means you will have to read the options carefully. So, the air we breathe out is called exhaled air. The spinal cord connects all the nerves of the body to the brain. Number 5 is the excretory system cleans our body by throwing out body wastes. I hope that you are writing the answers now. After this, we are going to revise, give one word answer. So see, these all things are not only the revision, but also if any of these things are left to be written in your fair notebook, you can write it down. So that in the exam, you will have to just revise it and the topics will be there written in your books. So after this, you will have to take the new page in which the heading will be give one word answer or answer in one word. So anything related to one word comes, just don't get puzzled in the exam, because that is what I want you to get puzzled. But if you will act wisely, you will get the answers. Okay, so I have given you sufficient enough time to write these. Fill in the blanks. Now I am going to clear the board and write the heading. You also give the heading on the new page. So the heading is give one word for the following. I hope that you are also giving the heading. Please give the heading as I have written on the board. Give one word for the following. Now there are only 4 give one word. So I'll write 2 questions at a time. Okay, now I'm going to write the questions. I hope that you will also write the questions along with me. The building blocks of the body. Number 2, a living being made up of different organ systems. So here I have written two questions for give one word answer. Please write down the questions properly, and then I will be writing another two questions after solving this. So question number 1 I have written is the building blocks of the body. Number 2, a living being made up of different organ systems. I hope that you have started writing question number 2. Write it as fast as possible. Also at the same time, try to maintain your good handwriting. Okay, now I'm going to write the answer and then we are going to repeat this. So please make sure you will repeat the question and the answer one time after me. So answer number 1 is the building block of the body, obviously cells. And here a living being made up of different organ systems. Answer is organism. Now please repeat after me. The building blocks of the body cells. Number 2, a living being made up of different organ systems. Answer is organism. Please write the answers. After these last two questions I am going to write for the same topic, give one word for the following, and that will be the end of our today's session. I hope that you were writing each and everything written on the board and instructed to you accordingly. Please also make sure whenever you are there in the lecture, I have been telling you that please do not make any spelling mistakes, especially when you will have to write the answer of one word. That is where we can just deduct your marks, because answer is of one word. That one word contains one full mark. Now if you will make the mistake in the same word, obviously we will deduct your marks. Try not to make any mistake and to get maximum score in the objective part. Okay, now I am going to clear the board and write another two questions. So please write number 3 and number 4 with me. Number 3, the organ that gives orders to the different parts of the body. Different parts of the body. Number 4, thin tubes through which blood flows. Okay, please write the last two questions for the topic. So if you have not even completed this give one word answer or the previously done fill in the blanks, please complete it in your fair book as well. Number 3, the organ that gives orders to the different parts of the body. And number 4, thin tubes through which blood flows. Now if you have watched my explanation videos and all the videos regularly, I suppose you should be able to answer this before I write it on the board. Isn't it so? It is pretty easy. Anyways, now I'm going to write the answers on the board. So, which part gives the order? Obviously, brain, and the tubes through which blood flows in the body. So, what is the name of those tubes? The answer is blood vessels. Please write the answers. First answer is brain, that is answer number 3. Answer number 4 is blood vessels. So my dear students, I hope you enjoyed this lecture in which you have now written fill in the blanks and give one word the following. So day by day you are getting the revision work from which you can not only revise the topics but also you can complete the objectives and the subjectives which you have otherwise not complete for some other reason. So please repeat these two answers with me. As we have repeated number 1 and number 2, we are going to repeat these two answers and that will be the end of our today's session. Now please repeat loudly and clearly. The organ that gives orders to the different parts of the body. Answer is brain. Number 4, thin tubes through which blood flows. Answer is blood vessels. Check your spellings also, that whether you have written correct spellings or not. So my dear students, with this I end my today's session. I hope that you enjoyed the session throughout and you have completed your work which was otherwise incomplete. So have a nice day, goodbye, take care.